Art. But what is art? This is something beautiful. These are love, emotions, philosophy, dreams, and the most precious moments in life. Dot molding is a factory that helps you make beautiful things perfect. So we produce decorative moldings for frames. Dot molding factory for the production of plastic decorative slats was founded in 2016 in Khmelnytsky city. The company performs a number of important functions. It reprocesses polymers, preventing them from getting into landfills, provides jobs, and of course produces high-quality moldings for a decorative finish. Production base of the enterprise is more than 6,000 square meters. This is where the design is developed. Recycled materials are processed and the slats are manufactured, along with the storage of finished products in our own warehouses. Khmelnytsky Dot Molding Factory produces moldings used for furniture decoration, production of frames, paintings, mirrors, photographs, for souvenirs production, as well as interior skirting boards, decorative moldings for walls, cornices, door corners, and so on. For the production of these moldings, we use polymers not only from Ukraine, but also EU countries, as well as add environmentally friendly ingredients. They are so eco-friendly that you can find them in your kitchen, for example, such as baking soda. Moldings can vary in style, thickness, width and shape. Also, all moldings can have a very wide range of colors. We have more than 1,500 of them. Dot Molding Factory produces moldings for customers from Ukraine, CIS countries, EU countries, and even for United States of America. A modern approach and a high level of responsibility allows us to solve complex tasks using creativity, innovative ideas and use. The product quality department of the Dot Molding Factory constantly monitors finished products, checking the products twice. This is done so that not a single defective slab, not a single scratch gets into the box. Also, moldings research and testing for stitching frames quality and for chips absence and slats cutting at an angle of 45 degrees are performed. High level of employees' professionalism, focus on high results and continuous improvement. These are the keys for the sustainable development of the factory. These provide Dot Molding Factory with high customer trust and leading positions in the Ukrainian market. Dot Molding Factory of decorative profiles. We know how to make beautiful things perfect.